Welcome to the Quick Start AutoCAD 2010 Certified Professional course. What we're going to do here is get you through all of the items that you will need to understand to take your AutoCAD Certified Professional examination. So what we're going to look at here is moving objects. Now I've created a very basic drawing. That's all we need because all we're going to demonstrate is how to use the move command using grips, object snaps, and also object snap tracking. So what we have is one layer, the black layer here, which is a layer called objects. We then have these red nodes, and they are on the layer nodes. They are actually points, so they utilize the node object snap. Now you can see the circle down here in the bottom left corner. That's the object we're going to move around inside the rectangle. So the first one we're going to look at is moving the circle using our grips. It's very, very easy to do. You select the circle first, so crosshair over the circle, left click, and there's our grips. Standard grips for a circle there. You've got the 4 quadrants and the center grip. So let's utilize the center grip. So I click on the grip there, left click, and I make it a hot grip. And I can just move the circle around wherever I want to. I don't even have to right click and go into my grip edit commands. I'll just hit escape there to lose those. Because I've picked that center grip, I can now move that around. So let's go to this node here. There's the node snap, left click, and I've moved my circle using grips. Now if I wanted to copy that, obviously I'd utilize the right click and the move and the copy with the grip edit. So I can click here now again, make that a hot grip, and I might move it out here somewhere. Now I can go to any node I want to or any object snap I want to, like that. Very easy, and as you can see I can click back on the grip there and take it back to this node here. I'll just hit escape there to deselect. So that's moving your circle with the grips. What about using object snaps? Now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to freeze the node layer. So I click on my layer pull down there, click on the sun symbol, that freezes the node layer. So I don't have those nodes now to use when I'm moving the circle around. I have to use my object snaps. So let's have a look now. I'll click on the circle now. I've still got the grips there, but they're not a lot of use to me now. Really, I could use the center grip if I wanted to, but I'm going to do it a different way. I'm going to go up to the move command here on the modify panel, click on move, and it prompts me to specify a base point. So I hover over the circle, and because my center snap is switched on as a running object snap down here on O snap, if I right click here, there you go, look, center snap is on there. It's circled in the little blue square in AutoCAD 2010. So I go for the center snap there as the base point, and I can now move my circle. So what I'll do now, I might pop it over here on this endpoint snap, and as you can see, I've moved that now using object snaps. Let's just undo that again and go through it one more time. So I can either select the circle like that and go up to move like that, and it'll prompt me for a base point, or another little trick there, just select the circle and right click. On the shortcut menu you've also got move there. It then wants a base point, center snap of circle, and I'm going to move over to the end point snap here on the rectangle, and that's my second point, my point of displacement. So that's moving the objects using object snaps. So I'll undo that again now. Last but not least, object snap tracking. Make sure the O track is on here on the status bar. Select my circle. Again, I'm going to click on move here. Select move, and it wants a base point. So I go for the center snap again. But now I want to track to the exact center of the rectangle. So I hover now over that midpoint snap there. I then hover over that midpoint snap there. As I move away, can you see the little orange blips there, the little crosses? As I come in, there's my intersection of those two object snaps. That is my object snap tracking point. Left click, the circle is now dead center of the rectangle, utilizing a horizontal and a vertical midpoint snap, utilizing object snap tracking.